Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will show how to remove 2014 Nissan Maxima tail light, only way. Start by opening the trunk and locating the access bolts behind the liner, then remove the bolts carefully. Keep all fasteners organized on a tray and note their positions. Use a trim tool to gently pry the liner away without tearing it. Take your time and check for hidden clips before pulling the tail light assembly free. In this video, I will explain how to remove 2014 Nissan Maxima tail light, only way. Gather a 10 mm socket, ratchet with extension, plastic trim tool, and needle nose pliers before starting. Having a small magnetic tray for bolts and a flashlight will speed the job and reduce frustration. Lay out a clean towel to rest the removed tail light to avoid scratches. Good lighting and patience make this an easy DIY task. In this video, I will help remove 2014 Nissan Maxima tail light, only way. First, remove the trunk liner access panel and the three 10 mm bolts securing the tail light. Carefully pull the tail light straight out a few inches to access the wiring harness and clips. Depress the harness locking tab and disconnect the connector, then fully remove the assembly. Inspect the socket and bulbs before reinstalling to ensure proper function.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.